Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. Bathroom caulking or silicone sealant is a fantastic product to ensure that your shower, bathtub or sink remains waterproof for many years. Unfortunately, it doesn't last forever. Over time, silicone does wear, crack, shrink or discolor, which may lead to water damage. Prevent mold, mildew or water damage by maintaining your bathroom fixtures. Plus, a fresh coat of silicone can make your bathroom look brand new once again. Firstly, inspect your bathroom. The key spots to check are areas that regularly get wet, such as the corners and base of a shower and the edges of a bathtub. Remove any old damaged silicone with a putty knife or blade. Clean the debris before using some cleaning spirits to clean off the residue. Apply new silicone with a caulking gun and smooth it out. You should have a fresh waterproof seal that will last you for many years to come.